Russia has once again seized the global stage with the shocking announcement of three groundbreaking futuristic weapons. These new additions to its military arsenal are not just about bolstering national defense, they are a clear and provocative message to the world, especially to America. The unveiling of these weapons has sent shockwaves through the international community, stirring both excitement and deep concern. This is not just about Russia flexing its muscles, it's about a bold statement of technological superiority that has left the United States and its allies scrambling to catch up. The first of these terrifying weapons is the unveiled hypersonic glide vehicle, a game-changer in military technology that has America and the rest of the world on edge. Capable of traveling at mind-boggling speeds exceeding Mach 20, the unveiled can streak across the atmosphere at more than 15,000 miles per hour, making it nearly impossible to intercept with any existing missile defense systems. Imagine a missile that can hit its target before you even know it's coming. That's the unveiled. Launched atop an intercontinental ballistic missile, ICBM, the unveiled detaches and glides toward its target with pinpoint accuracy. But what makes it truly terrifying is its ability to perform evasive maneuvers at such high speeds. Traditional ballistic missiles follow a predictable arc, but the unveiled's capability to alter its trajectory mid-flight makes interception a near impossible task. This unpredictability significantly reduces the effectiveness of current missile defense systems, which are designed to counter more conventional threats. By developing and deploying the unveiled, Russia has not only demonstrated its ability to outpace current defense technologies, but has also set a new, daunting standard in missile warfare. The United States, known for its advanced military technology, now finds itself in a position of vulnerability, facing a weapon it cannot counter. The shockwaves from this development have rippled through the Pentagon, leaving American defense officials scrambling to devise a response. As if the unveiled wasn't enough, Russia has also unveiled the Poseidon, an autonomous nuclear-powered underwater drone that has left the world, and particularly America, in a state of unease. This drone, capable of carrying a nuclear warhead, can operate autonomously for thousands of miles, making it a terrifying tool of underwater warfare. Imagine a nuclear-powered drone lurking in the depths of the ocean, undetectable and unstoppable, ready to strike coastal cities or naval installations without warning. The Poseidon can dive to great depths, travel at high speeds, and is designed to avoid detection by enemy sonar systems. Its primary mission: to target coastal cities and naval installations, delivering a devastating nuclear strike that could create massive tsunamis and radioactive fallout. The sheer horror of such an attack is almost unimaginable, and the psychological impact alone is enough to send chills down anyone's spine. The strategic implications of the Poseidon are profound. Unlike traditional submarine-launched ballistic missiles, which are limited by the range and detectability of their launch platforms, the Poseidon offers a new mode of stealthy, far-reaching nuclear delivery. This capability enhances Russia's second strike potential, ensuring that it can retaliate even if its land-based nuclear forces are compromised. The thought of an autonomous underwater drone carrying a nuclear payload is enough to make any military strategist lose sleep, and it has certainly put America on high alert. If the unveiled and Poseidon weren't enough to make the world tremble, Russia's third weapon, the Sarmat intercontinental ballistic missile, certainly will. Intended to replace the aging Soviet-era SS-18 Satan ICBMs, the Sarmat, often dubbed the Satan II, is capable of carrying multiple independently chargeable re-entry vehicles and IRVs. This means a single Sarmat missile can deliver multiple nuclear warheads to different targets simultaneously, effectively overwhelming any defense system. The Sarmat has an estimated range of 18,000 kilometers, meaning it can strike any point on the globe from Russia. But what makes it even more terrifying is its ability to follow a variety of flight paths, including over the South Pole, to bypass missile defense systems. Traditional missile defense systems, particularly those in the Northern Hemisphere, are designed to counter threats coming from the north. The Sarmat's ability to strike from the south introduces a whole new level of strategic vulnerability, especially for the United States. The design of the Sarmat focuses on ensuring survivability and penetrability. Its ability to deploy MIRVs complicates missile defense efforts, as intercepting multiple warheads simultaneously is far more challenging than targeting a single missile. The Sarmat's capacity to fly over less monitored areas, such as the South Pole, exposes new vulnerabilities for nations relying on traditional northward-facing missile defense architectures. The United States, with its extensive missile defense systems, now faces a weapon that can outmaneuver and outgun its best defenses, leaving it exposed in ways it has never been before. The unveiling of these weapons has not just rattled America, it has triggered a global shockwave. The rapid pace of military technological advancements and the shifting nature of warfare are now more apparent than ever. Hypersonic vehicles, autonomous drones, and advanced ICBMs represent the cutting edge of military technology, pushing the boundaries of what is possible and forcing other nations to reconsider their defense strategies. The United States, once the leader in military innovation, now finds itself playing catch-up, a position it has not been in for decades. For the United States and its allies, the development of these weapons presents a formidable challenge. Current missile defense systems, such as the Aegis ballistic missile defense and the ground-based mid-course defense, may not be adequate to counter the advanced capabilities of the Vanguard, Poseidon, and Sarmat. This has left the United States with no choice but to invest heavily in research and development to create new defense systems capable of addressing these emerging threats. Furthermore, the strategic ambiguity introduced by these weapons complicates traditional deterrence models, requiring a reassessment of nuclear policy and strategy. The fear of a new arms race is no longer just a possibility, it is a reality. As Russia's advancements continue to outpace those of the West, the United States and its allies must confront the sobering truth. They are no longer the unchallenged military powers they once were. China, too, must take note of Russia's advancements. As a rising military power with its own ambitions for regional and global influence, China will likely see these developments as both a challenge and an opportunity. The enhancement of Russia's military capabilities could shift the strategic balance in areas where Chinese and Russian interests intersect. At the same time, the technological advancements represented by these weapons could provide valuable insights for China's own military modernization efforts. The announcement of these new weapons also has significant implications for international arms control agreements. Treaties such as the New START, which aims to reduce the number of strategic nuclear warheads and their delivery systems, may need to be revisited and updated to account for these new technologies. Hypersonic weapons and autonomous drones pose new challenges for verification and compliance, complicating efforts to achieve meaningful arms control in the future. The development of these weapons could spur a new arms race as other nations seek to develop comparable capabilities to ensure their own security and deterrence. The specter of a new arms race, reminiscent of the Cold War, looms large, and the international community must grapple with the potential consequences. The world is now entering a new era of competition and innovation, where the stakes are higher and the risks are greater than ever before. Beyond the immediate military and strategic implications, the introduction of these weapons raises broader questions about the future of warfare and the ethical considerations of advanced military technologies. The deployment of autonomous weapons, such as the Poseidon drone, brings up concerns about the role of human oversight and decision-making in the use of lethal force. The speed and unpredictability of hypersonic vehicles like the Vanguard challenge existing norms and protocols for crisis management and escalation control. As these technologies become more prevalent, it will be crucial for the international community to engage in dialogue and establish norms and agreements to govern their use. The world must confront the ethical and strategic challenges posed by these weapons, or risk a future where the pace of technological advancement outstrips our ability to manage its consequences. In Russia, the development and announcement of these weapons have significant domestic implications. President Vladimir Putin has consistently emphasized the importance of a strong military to ensure Russia's security and global standing. The introduction of these advanced weapons serves to reinforce this narrative, demonstrating Russia's technological prowess and its ability to defend itself against any potential adversaries. This, in turn, bolsters national pride and supports the government's efforts to maintain public support amid various economic and political challenges. The announcement also reflects Russia's broader strategic objectives. By showcasing its military capabilities, Russia aims to deter potential adversaries and assert its influence on the global stage. The development of these weapons is part of a broader effort to modernize the Russian military, ensuring that it remains a formidable force capable of projecting power and defending national interests. This modernization effort is not limited to new weapon systems, but also includes improvements in training, logistics, and cyber capabilities, reflecting a comprehensive approach to military readiness. For the global defense industry, the unveiling of these weapons signals a new era of competition and innovation. Companies and research institutions involved in defense technology will need to accelerate their efforts to keep pace with these advancements. This could lead to increased investment in areas such as hypersonic, artificial intelligence, and advanced materials. If you enjoyed this video, hit the subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment below with your thoughts, and don't forget to turn on notifications for more updates. Thanks for watching.